we have square of difference. So let me remind you formula. When we have a minus b to second power, this is equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. In our example, a is equal t square and b is equal t. So now you will just use this formula. So this is equal. First we have a square, so we will have t square to second power. We have to raise negative sign, we copy 2, and next we have a times b, so we will have t squared times t. And next we have positive sign and b squared, so we have t squared. So this is equal. We have power to power, so we copy the base and we have to multiply exponents. 2 times 2 is 4. Next we have negative sign, 2 we will copy t squared times t. So we copy the base, we have multiplication, so we copy the base and we add exponents. So when we don't have exponents, invisible 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3, and we have plus t squared. We don't have the like terms, so this is my solution.